guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new wig video. So I have a new wig from RPG Hair, and if you guys check the info section below, I'll have all the details, information, and links provided there. So here's everything that I received with my wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the wig that I picked up this time is this new natural Yaki edge hairline 10-inch bob. It's in that light Yaki texture. It does have the natural pre-plucked hairline and the knots are already bleached. It has the invisible high definition lace, and y'all look at those tiny knots. Oh my god, this wig looks so realistic and natural. Once again, the knots are already pre-bleached, so absolutely no work really needs to be done when it comes down to this wig. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So per usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on prior to me doing anything to it, just to kind of let you guys know exactly how I received the wig and to look at it to figure out if any work needs to be done. This lace is high definition, however it's still just a tad bit too light for my skin tone, so I will be applying a little bit of foundation in order to get that to blend right on in. But other than that, nothing other than a flat iron really needs to be done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this wig flat ironed. So I went ahead and I slapped my wig onto my canvas block. You can always prepare your hair on your actual head, but this is just what works better for myself. So I just applied a little bit of my wax stick. The wig does come with its own wax stick, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use what I have first. And I'm just gonna run my hot comb through everything just to kind of start the straightening process. I'm not going to do a super detailed job just because I do want to keep some of that light Yaki texture. However, I'm just trying to get rid of that bump at the bottom because I don't really prefer my bobs to have that bump. I like it just to kind of be straight, if that makes any sense. But now I'm going in with a little bit of my wet line gel, and I'm just going to apply that to the area right around the part. I really like that area to kind of look nice and slicked back, but I am going to keep the remainder of the Yaki edges, you know, just to kind of make that look a lot more natural. I just kind of want everything to kind of be slicked and out the face. So now I'm just pulling out just a little bit of the Yaki edges. I'm not going to lay my baby hairs or anything like that, but I do like to kind of pull them out. So if I wanted to use them later, they're already out and ready to go. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay everything with the edge bands, and we're going to let that sit. So this is a few hours later. Everything is ready to go. This is what the front perimeter of the hairline looks like, and you guys do notice that I kept some of the natural Yaki edges. So now I'm going to take a sharp pair of cutting shears and just remove that excess lace. So though this wig does have that invisible high definition lace, it's still a tad bit too light for my skin tone. So I am going to apply a little bit of my liquid foundation, and I tend to use a shade that's about one shade deeper than my skin tone, like my summer shade. So I went ahead and I applied that all over the lace, and I attached the removable elastic band just so that we can get a nice custom fit, because I'm not going to be using any glues for this install. So now I'm taking my eyebrow razor and I'm just going to remove the ear tabs just because we don't need it, and this is going to allow the wig to lay nice and flat along the hairline. Now I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb to kind of get rid of like that canvas block mannequin head shape, to where the wig could now pretty much form to my head shape and look nice and natural. Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like. I am so here for the texture. I love how the light is somewhat beaming off of this texture, and it kind of reminds me of my hair if I did a light flat iron on it and I didn't really go in and silk press it out. It still has some of that light yaki texture, which I am just here for. And this wig is so flowy. I didn't use any glues or any adhesives, so this is definitely a glueless install. You guys do notice that the lace is still a tad bit too light for my skin tone. I do believe that it could be my lighting just because it's so bright. I'm filming this video at nighttime, so it's definitely beaming off of that invisible high definition lace. However, if you do kind of have an issue with that, you can definitely use a darker foundation, or you can use the 𝐒𝐈𝐿 late tint spray, in which I'll go ahead and I'll link down below. You guys definitely see all of the lace parting space with this 13 by 4.5 inch parting lace, and you guys get into the texture. I just love how natural this wig looks, and y'all know my hair is a little bit on the longer side, so I do appreciate being able to wear a nice natural looking bob every once and again. It just kind of gives me the life that I need. Here's another close-up on the lace. You guys see how natural everything looks together. Super flowy, super soft, and I am definitely here for it. So once again, you guys do check out RPG Hair. I'll have all the details, links, and information left in the info section below. Once again, this is their natural light yaki edge hairline 10-inch bob. It's 150% density. It has an invisible high definition lace in that 13 by 4.5 inch parting space. It also has the whole front bleach knots, and you guys can definitely get your hands on this while you can. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.